Hey guys, it's Rain. Sorry, I don't have my other camera hooked up right now, but this is just going to be a quick one. I went to see if I could find some regular-sized perlers at my local Michael's because I'm working on this really big project and I had run out of black beads. So I went to go and see if I could find just a package of black beads at my local Michael's. And when I got there, they had very few sets of perlers left. They didn't even have any buckets or anything like that. So I got this one because it was the only one that I saw that had a bunch of different black beads in it that I'm going to sort out later. But their shelves were full of this right here. I had never heard of this before. And this is Creatology's melty beads. And I have no idea how good these beads are because I have gotten melty beads before, albeit they were the ones that Walmart sells, and I do not recommend them at all. They are horrid. They do not melt easily or evenly, and I would not recommend them. Just stay away from the Walmart melty beads. But I haven't heard of these ones before. I was a little bit leery of getting the melty beads for this project because I didn't know how well they work. But if any of you guys have worked with the Creatology melty beads, let me know how well they work. Because, I mean, if they're as good as perler beads, or if they're if perler bead is rebranding or something like that, because it looks like Michael's is no longer going to be selling perlers. They're going to be selling these melty beads instead. And I mean, if they don't work as well as the perlers, then I think I'm going to exclusively go to the Art Cal beads, because right now I just get Art Cal beads for my mini beads. If Michael's isn't going to be selling perlers anymore and these melty beads don't work, then I'm probably just exclusively going to go to Art Cal for all of my bead sizes, because they have been pretty amazing so far in making sure that all of my orders are correct. Their shipping, for being free shipping, is actually really quick to deliver. I think I only wait a couple of weeks before I get my shipment in the mail. And that's coming from China to Canada. And usually it takes at least a month for us to get any kind of package from over there. I mean, I'm really hoping that I can still get perler beads, but it looks like they are being replaced with these other melty beads. So if you guys know anything about them, let me know in the comments below. I'm definitely going to pick some up maybe for a small project just to see how well they work, and maybe see if they work with the perler beads, and if they do, then that is amazing, and I will use them. But for right now, I'm not going to use them with my current project, and when I do get around to getting these new melty beads, I will do a review on them, and I will let you guys know how well they work, okay? Apologies for the budgie noises. I do have a new budgie, so both of them are pretty chatty right now. And look forward to seeing updates on my big project. I will be posting a few videos here and there until it is done, and then I will reveal the entire project as a whole, because I'm working on it piece by piece right now. So look forward to that, and I will see you guys later.